Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're taking all necessary precautions and being safe during these difficult times. So, this is our skincare month, and today I'm going to give you 3 DIY recipes of a scrub, a cream, and a toner, all three using only one base ingredient, which is very easily available in our kitchen and that we traditionally eat every alternate day. So, this super ingredient is rice. Yes, today we are going to make a scrub, a cream, and a toner, all three using rice water. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do click on the red subscribe button below and on the bell icon for all my notifications. Guys, Asian women have been using rice water since ages to enhance the beauty of their skin, to keep it soft and supple, and to preserve its youthful appearance. Rice water contains many nutrients and antioxidants that are very essential for a healthy and glowing skin. It brightens your skin tone, tightens your pores, fades acne marks, evens out your skin tone completely, and most importantly, reduces the signs of aging. So without any further ado, let's start with our DIY skincare recipes. First, we will make a rice scrub. For this, you need rice, water, turmeric powder or haldi, sandalwood powder or chandan, and honey. Start by taking one bowl of rice and rinsing it with water thoroughly to remove any dust particles in it. Then soak it in boiled water for at least 3 to 4 hours, or best if you can leave it overnight. Next morning you will see the water has turned white in color. Use your hands to crush the rice properly to get all the good nutrients into this water. Now strain the rice and store this water. This is the rice water that we are going to use in all three recipes. You can cook the soaked rice later and eat it so that there is absolutely no wastage. For the scrub, take 1 tablespoon of the soaked rice and 2 tablespoons of rice water. Grind it into a fine paste. And this is how it's going to look. Now we are going to take this paste, add some more rice water as per your own requirement, and then cook it for at least 2 minutes for a creamy consistency. This will serve as the base of our scrub. Take it in a bowl, add half spoon of haldi, 1 spoon of chandan, and some honey. Mix it all together to form a thick paste, and here your rice scrub is ready. You can use it on your face or as a full body scrub, but don't forget to test it on a small part of your skin like your hand first to check for any reactions or allergies. Don't rub it on your face too hard because our skin is very sensitive. I'm applying some on my hand too. Now I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. This is how my skin looks after using it. It is instantly brightened and feels extremely soft and supple. Try it for yourself to see the difference on your own skin. Second, we are going to make a rice water face mist or a toner. For this, you need the rice water that we stored earlier. I have put it in the spray bottle already. I'm going to add 1 spoon of lemon juice to it. You can also add an essential oil like lavender oil or tea tree oil. Different essential oils work differently on your skin, so you can add any of them as per your own choice. And here we're going to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And it's ready. Just spray this mist on your face whenever you feel that your skin is dull, lifeless or dehydrated for an instant glow. For more DIY face mist, you can see this video that I posted last week in which I gave 5 different DIY face mist recipes using all natural ingredients. Third thing that we are going to make is a rice water cream. For this, we need to heat the rice water a little bit and then let it cool down. Take 2 tablespoons of rice water in a bowl. Add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, 1 spoon of glycerine, add 1 vitamin E tablet and mix it well using your hand. Take little bit of this cream and apply it all over your face. It has natural antioxidants that improves skin elasticity, protects your skin from sun damage, hydrates and nourishes it from within, and gives you a youthful glow. Since they are all homemade and don't contain any preservatives or chemicals, they are only going to stay fresh for a maximum of 10 days. That too if you keep them refrigerated at all times. So make sure you keep them back in the refrigerator after using them. Guys, I also want to say that anything in excess is not good for you. So don't use all these 3 recipes together. Start with making any 1 or 2 of these that are most convenient for you and make them a part of your daytime or nighttime skincare routine. Trust me, it is going to give you wonderful results in just 1 week. We use so many makeup and cosmetic products on our face on a daily basis, and they are so harmful for our skin because of the chemicals present in them. So it's a great idea to provide your skin with a natural and organic care from time to time so that it doesn't lose its original beauty. I hope you will try these DIY products. I'm waiting for your feedback on how they work for you and your skin. Do leave in your comments and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, click on the red subscribe button below and on the bell icon for all my channel updates. Toodles!